Hello students, today we start the new lesson and the name of the lesson is the HCF and LCM. HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor. And LCM means lowest common multiple, is the long form of HCF and LCM. Okay, so whenever we are studying the HCF and LCM, we have we have to use the divisibility test that we had studied in the last lesson, and I hope all of you done the practice of this all divisibility test, because this divisibility test, if you knows, then it is easy to find out the HCF and LCM of the given numbers. Okay, so first of all, before starting the lesson, we will just recall the divisor and the dividend. Okay, so if you see here it is one division given, here it is division given, and inside it 36 is divided by 9, 4, 36 divided by 4, so 4 9s are 36, so 9 is here, and if we subtract 36 and here it is 0, so we have to here given the boxes and we have to write the name of each place of that numbers where it is located. Okay, so for first of all, so here in this division 9 is the quotient, it is quotient, 9 is the quotient. Okay, and 0 is the remainder, it is called as a remainder. Okay, and 36 is dividend. Okay, and 4 is called as a divisor. So that places we have to write them. So whatever is the answer of the division, it is called as a quotient. The number which we are dividing by another number, this number is called as a dividend, and by which number we are dividing, that is called as a divisor, and whatever is the remain, that is called as a remainder. So in this example, 9 is quotient, 36 is dividend, 4 is divisor, and 0 is the remainder. Okay, same way in this example also we have to write the position of dividend, divisor, quotient, and the remainder. So same way here 65 is divided by 9. Okay, and 9 sevens are 63, and remainder is the 2. So in this question 7 is called as a what? Quotient. It is called as a quotient. Okay, then 2 is a remainder. 65 is called as a dividend. Okay, and 9 is called as a divisor. So if we keep this thing in our mind, it is easy for us to solve the to find out the LCM and HCF of a given number. So note down this, all of you, that first example also and this also. So here in this question, when this 36 is there, 36 when we divide with 4, this 36 when we divide with 4, the remainder is 0, and therefore it is called as this 4 is there, it is the factor of 36. 4 is a factor of 36. When 36 we divide with the 4 and remainder is 0, then 4 is called as a factor of 36, and 36 is multiple of 4, the meaning of it is that 36 is divisible by 4. Understand? So here in this, and when it is when we say that it is factor, when the remainder is 0, that time only 4 is the factor of 36 and 36 is the multiple of 4. Okay, now in this second example inside, here 65 is divided by 9, 65 is divided by 9 and 7 is the quotient and remainder is 2. Here remainder is 2, but when there is a when we say that it is a factor or it is a multiple of the particular number, when the remainder is 0, but here remainder is 2, and that's why we can divide 65 by 9. Okay, but remainder is not 0, therefore 9 is not a factor of 65. Then if remainder is other than 0, then 9 is not a factor of 65, and 65 is not a multiple of 9, means 65 is not divisible by 9. So in this way we are saying that we are finding the multiples and the factors. It is the part of the revision that we are doing. Now here factors of 36. Okay, so factors of 36, how we have to find out? As just now we studied the divisibility test. Okay, that also you can use, or if you learn the table, then you can use the tables for understanding to find these factors of 36. So first of all, when we divide factors of 36, when we are finding, always 1 is the factor. Any number is there, its factor is 1. Its factor is 1. Now 2 is also the factor of 36 because it is divisible. 36 is divisible by 2. As you know, the divisibility test of 2, unit place of a number contains 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then that number is divisible by, what we are saying, then the number is divisible by 2. So here it is unit place, there is a 6. Unit place, there is a 6, and that's why this number is divisible by what? 2. Next test is the 3. Okay, if we add 3 and 6, 3 plus 6, answer is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. That's why 3 is also the factor of what? 36. Now if you are taking the 4, if you are taking the 4, 4 9s are 36. It is also divisible by 4 stable inside 36 is present. 6 6 are 36, means 36 is present in the table of 6. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. We have to go, whenever we are finding the factors, we have to go ascending order of the numbers. Okay, and for that you must learn the tables of the tables, then you will easily find the factors of 36. Now 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, and 12 threes are 36. So 12 is also the factor of 36. 12, then 13 stable inside 36, 36 not there, 14 inside it's not there, 15 is not there, 16, 17 in these tables inside 36 is not present, but 18 ones are 18 and 18 twos are 36. Okay, and 36 is factor of 36 itself, because every number is a factor of itself, and that's why what happens, this all are the, means 1 and the number itself are the factors. Okay, and including this we have to use the divisibility test and tables to find out the factors of any number. Now the next 48. 48, first just now I told you that every number is divisible by 1 and number itself. So 1 and 48 are the factor. Now the divisibility of test 2 apply here. Unit place, which number is there? 8 is there. So that number is divisible by 2. 8 plus 4, how much? 12. Okay, 3 4s are 12. So this number is also divisible by 3. And 48 when you divide, okay, with 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So here it is 48 divided by 4, 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So 12 is the answer. So 4 is also the factor of 48. Now 6. 6 8s are 48. 6 into 8, 6 8s are 48, means 6 table inside 48 is present. 8 6 are 48, means it is also the factor of 48. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, and 12 fours are 48, means 12 table inside 48 is present. So it is also the factor of 48. And 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, and 16 threes are 48. So 16 stable inside 48 present, That's why it is the factor of 48. 24 ones are 24 and 24 twos are 48. So here when you learn the table, you will get immediately the factors of a given numbers. Now here in these factors inside, which are the common factors that we have to find out. So if you see here, 1 is common here. Okay, next 2, so 2 is also the common factor. Next it is 3 is also common factor. So we have to write down the common factors which are present in both the factors of 36 and factors of 48. Now 6, next 8, 9, next it is the 12 is the common factor. Okay, and after 12 there is no any common factor in between these two. So which are the common factors of this 36 and 48? The common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the common factors of the 36 and the 48. So in this way we have to find out the common factors of 12 and 16. So if 12 and 16 is common factors, if we have to find out, so 12's factors are factors of 12 and another factors of 16. Yes, no, factors of 16 and 12 we have to find out. Factors of 12 and factors of 16. So 12's factor, first what I told you, 1 is the first common factor. Then this 12 is divisible by 2. 3 4s are 12. 3 is also the factor of it. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Then 5 is not the factor of this. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Okay. 6 over then 7. 7 is not the factor because 12. 7 1s are 7 and 7 2s are 14. 12 is smaller than 14. Next 8 is also not the 8 2s are 16. 9 2s are 18. 10 2s are 20. 11 2s are 22 and 12 1s are 12, means number itself is the factor of this 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Same way factors of 16 we are finding now. 1 is the factor. This number is divisible by 2 because unit place 6 is there. Again 3 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So this number is not divisible by which? 3. Next 4 4s are 16. 4 stable inside. 4 place 16 is there. 4 4s are 16. 5 no. 6 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. Then if you say the table of 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So 16 is not there in the table. 8 1s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. So 8 is the factor and 8 at last 16 1s are 16 is its a factor. So the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now we have to find out the common factors. Okay, so which are the common factors here? First common factor is 1. So here it is 1. Next common factor is 2. Okay, next common factor is 4. Okay, if you see this, after this 4 there is no any common factor in between 12 factors of 12 and 16. So in this way we have to find out the factors of 12 and 16. Okay, note down this example. Now we will see the next example 21 and 24. So factors of 21 and 24 we will, what we have to find out? The factors of given numbers and list the common factors also we have to find out. So the factors of 21 and 24 we will find now. So factors of 21 and next factors of 24. So these numbers, so the factors of 21 we will find. First of all we have to check 1 is the common factor for both of them. Okay, next after means 21 is not divisible by 2 because unit place 1 is there. Then next this number is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 3 sevens are 21. Okay, 4, it is not divisible by 4 because it is odd number. 5, 0 and 5 is not its unit place. 6, 6 3 is 18 and 6 4 are 24. So 21 is not present in the table of 6. Then 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14 and 7 threes are 21. So 7 is its factor. Okay, the next and afterwards if you see the tables of all, then you will get that there is a 21 is present in its own table only. Okay, now we will find out the factors of 24. This number is divisible by 2 because unit place there is a 4 is there. Again it is divisible by 3 also because 4 plus 2 6 is there, and 6 is divisible by 3, that's why it is number is divisible by 3. 6 and then 4 6 are 24. This is not divisible by 5 because unit place 0 5 we want it here. Then 6 4s are 24. It is divisible by 6. Then after that 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 8 3s are 24. Next it is the 12 ones are 12 and 12 twos are 24, and at last 24 ones are 24. So next what we have to find out, the common factors we have to find out. And which are the common factors of this? The common factors are first 1, then 3. Okay, and afterwards any number is not common in the factors of this 21 and 24. So these are the common factors, that is 1 and the 3. So in that way we have to solve the example and find out its common factors. So these 3 examples, which are question number 3, 4 and 5, these 3 questions you are going to solve at 4. We have to find out its factor, and then you have to find out its from the factors just find out the common factor of this numbers. Okay, so today we'll stop here only. All of you complete this practice set number 23, and tomorrow we will take the HCF, that is the highest common factor, that we will see tomorrow. Okay, so before that you have to do the practice of this to find out the common factors, because it is useful for the finding the HCF of a given number. If you see here it is the factors given, and from that the biggest factor or highest factor is the HCF of a given number. In that way we have to solve these examples. Okay, so today all of you do the practice and solve the practice set number 23. Okay, thank you and have a good day.